What is BscScan and how to use it? Let's dive deep into the benefits of BscScan. Every cryptocurrency requires blockchain researchers to operate. The same company that produced Etherscan developed BscScan, the blockchain analyzer for Binance Intelligent Chain. Yet, so this tool's capability covers the ever range of services and capabilities, the titled Block Explorer just properly reflects what this one can accomplish using BscScan. Introduction. BscScan is quite identical to every other blockchain viewer, irrespective of the cryptocurrency you want to track. Using the tabs or the search field just at the bottom, it is capable of looking up a wallet, payments, smart contracts, and a lot more. Its Binance Smart Chain network is extremely simple to understand and accessible. Because both products were developed by the same group, Etherscan and BscScan, the visual interfaces are quite identical. To keep the system a consumer as practical for newcomers, there aren't any additional bells and whistles. Its blockchain inspector is becoming more helpful to its customers as its features and capabilities improve and get stronger. Everybody will have transparent access to the system due to monitoring the Binance Smart Chain and rendering it accessible through a simple interface. A BscScan profile can be established similar to that of Etherscan. While it may be helpful to programmers, this is not mandatory in order to utilize the functionality. Also, customers must locate other alternatives for the purpose of a wallet as BscScan does not include any. And you can combine BscScan using which was before wallets such as MetaMask, Trust Wallet, and many others. BscScan, Transaction Searching Function. BscScan's transaction searching function is identical to that of other block searchers. All required data can be gathered using the transaction ID or any wallet account used during a transaction. All details of the inquiry, including transaction value, date, transaction amount, amounts, processing fees, condition, and much more, will be obtained by BscScan after data has been provided into the search field. Depending on the amount of Binance Coin, BNB, and USD, customers will be able to view their amount when more in for a digital wallet. Nevertheless, BEP20 and ERC721 token values are also recognized by BscScan and can be viewed in the token field. BscScan, using the activity hash. Using the activity hash of BscScan is a popular method of looking for activities. To keep track of Binance Smart Chain transactions, a combination of characters and numbers is employed as a hash. Several useful pieces of information could be retrieved by putting a transaction hash in BscScan, which includes the state of the deal will be either ongoing, completed, or unsuccessful. Block height is a system identification that shows when a transaction was entered into the blockchain by a miner. The cost of the transaction is indicated in BNB and USD. An indicator of the amount it paid to execute the transaction on the Binance Smart Chain is the exchange fees. Senders can add a confidential remark to the transaction which will be available to certain other BscScan members once they sign into their profile. Each of these specifics is a critical element of the accessibility of blockchain technology, specifically the Binance Smart Chain, in this instance. Binance Smart Chain requires verifiers. The Binance Smart Chain requires verifiers rather than user nodes, which are frequently employed in solid evidence blockchains to verify transactions. There are already 43 validators in this system, which indicates some concentration. Each validator has also electoral power, which is reflected by the number of BNB that each node owns. The block header on the validate scoreboard informs the user when the validate started functional in addition to the most current block they verified. The scoreboard indicates how many blocks the auditors handled over the previous day, week, and month. Also, it shows their internet traffic level. The highest 21 panel members by BNB invested will be picked to be engaged validators. At 745,525 BNB invested, BscScan is the leading verifier and holds the most electoral power. Owners may get 13.8% APR by converting their BNB to BscScan. Variety of decentralized finance projects. There are a variety of decentralized finance projects on the Binance Smart Chain, just the same as Ethereum. The core of DeFi is produce gardening, and BscScan helps customers discover and a go listing of their available options. Many hundred produce gardening options available on the blockchain, but at the time of this writing, this listing has not been completed. Despite being a major update, the Yield Farm list may not be completely operational quite yet. Blockchain interoperable versus third-generation blockchain technologies. The BEP20 version, which is specific to this blockchain, as well as the ERC-721 shape of Ethereum, both are accepted by the Binance Smart Network ecosystem. Holders of BEP20 coins can keep close tabs regarding the most popular coins, rates, traffic, current value, amount of owners, and if a commodity is cross-chain interoperable. Blockchain interoperable is one of the challenges that third-generation blockchain technologies are trying to solve, so the ability to move money across blockchain platforms is picking up speed every month. Implementing ERC-721 is essential because some of these currencies are cross-chain compatible. Furthermore, many companies may divide the issuance of their assets among one chain and a different ecosystem for part of its coins. BscScan's monitoring of over 5,200 ERC-721 currency agreements leads to an intriguing situation. Binance Smart Chain and Smart Contracts. Smart contracts are suitable with Binance Smart Chain. Customers of BscScan can insert any agreement address to verify its authenticity and verify if the generated code fits the one operating on this blockchain. Users must take benefit of this capability since it improves the ecosystems enough and enable clients to freely inspect and verify code. Conclusion: BscScan is consistent with non-fungible coins, or NFTs, as it allows customers to monitor ERC-721 tokens. Because of its reduced costs and increased general performance throughout, Binance Smart Chain, as Ethereum, is home to a variety of NFT-focused projects. Through BscScan, customers may search for the NFTs to use the transaction data, an NFT smart contract, or the wallet account. The artwork included in that non-fungible currency could be displayed by the blockchain viewer, though. To see the art, customers need a link to a market or even another provider that implements the NFT token specification. The coin ID, the NFT program, the transactional data, and the engagement with the smart contract all will be seen by BscScan, too.